lose your grip and then grip at the impact. Partly right. But the beginner players are doing it too much. So watch my hands. So when they set it, it's just hanging there. Look at, it's hanging. It's not being gripped. And then, as they hit it, they grip. I have to say, this much loose grip and then grip as you hit is good hitting skill to hit the frame or miss a hit or hitting completely unexpected corners. Simply, he or she lose the control. I ask players often, this is a nail, this is a hammer. I am asking you to nail this halfway accurately. Would you hammer this nail like that? Loose and hit? Everybody say no. I say why? Because you lose control. How would you do it then? They grip already and hit. I can control the direction, I can control the power. Why not in here? If you want to hit the frame, try. There is a high chance you can hit the frame. Or if you want to hit completely wrong direction, try. Watch this, please. And the hitting sounds is completely different. So I'm losing grip here, completely losing grip. And then I hit the grip, okay? I am not genius, deliberately hit the frame. I am not that good. But I hit frame because I completely lost. The timing is missed. But if I grip it, not too hard, but reasonably, I can feel the racket. And then shuttle come. It's very hard to miss a hit. But compare, lose, and the hit. Yeah, same. And the hit. Yeah, same. Honestly, I am not deliberately hitting there. All I do is completely lose grip and then try to hit it. If you try, you will do same.